Hi everyone, my name is Florian Guillebeaud. I'm an O&M implementation manager in the design and implementation team of RWE Offshore Wind. Our team owns and develops the full O&M package from the early prospecting phase to the handover to the general manager of a newly commissioned asset. So during this lengthy process, our role is to A, design how we foresee a safe, performant and also sustainable operation with sufficient budget, and B, make sure it gets implemented during the different project phases. So with 19 sites in operation in Europe, 2 in construction and 19 other in development with secured rights, how can we, within offshore operation, design and implement more sustainability measures in these different project phases? Whether we focus on climate change, biodiversity, circular economy or local benefits, a sustainability strategy takes different shapes and forms depending on the project phase. What I'd like to discuss with you on March 7th is how can we make sure an O&M strategy influences in the right direction the sustainability of an offshore wind farm.